up, guys? We're here at the Malibu Pro Kart Qualifier here on Freedom Lake. We just went through qualies. We're about to go with the 12-man final because the weather's coming down on us. We're on the new M235 from Malibu and the wake's kicking. And we got some good riding underway. Check it out.
What's up, guys? Massey here. We just got done with the Malibu Pro Kart. The first event of the season was really cool. Ollie came out on top, obviously riding behind that M235. The wake looked good. The weather was so-and-so. Got a little wet in the bow, but pulled it together. The event came out great, and yeah, stoked to see my boy Ollie on top.